to conduct the interactive session.
Good afternoon, everybody. First few questions for Raghavendra Singh ji. Yeah, you can be there. Yes, please. First of all, thanks very much for an excellent overview given to the audience about the future for Indore. Indore possibly has to change from hospitality to development with sense and ownership and pride. But I presume hospitality from Indore will not go with all sorts of progress which will come. There are few questions. Questions are common. I will read the name. Amit Soni, Mithila, Kanika, Akruti, Alok. Then certain questions are common also. So I have just summarized the questions and I will ask one by one. The first question is that implementation has been an issue. How it will be tackled?
I believe the only thing by which implementation can be done is by better planning and then the perseverance which has to be there always. Let us take the case of bus rapid transit system itself. When we joined here in Indore city, Indore district as district magistrate and collector of the city, we started the system of doing regular meetings, and now every week anything happened but the meeting is not changed, and we do monitoring, visit and review is always there. And you must have by now observed that the work which was started 3 years back and initial say in 1 year, say 1.5 years, there is almost negligible progress, but nowadays it is running very fast. And if there are some obstructions which are only say in single digit numbers, so we are very sure that we are going to see a very good road in say next 5 to 6 months. So only way you can do is by monitoring, by having perseverance regarding the work, by solving the problems, and then by having input information regarding each and everything.
Thank you, sir. Thank you. Another question is, when Indore will get the status of a metro? When Indore will get the status of a metro city?
So I'm really surprised to answer this, to hear this question by the way at the very first instance. What will happen if you are given metropolitan status? I really don't know. And what is meant by that? So we are already, as I was presenting my case, we are already a city which has been declared by none other than Mr. Narayan Murthy that we are one of the future cities, one of the best cities in the entire country. Why on earth one has to be declared metropolitan or anything else? I really don't know.
Another question relates to pollution. That
Let me just say one more thing. In case of Delhi, they have made one national capital territory. So the rule which is there for Delhi, it is governed by Municipal Corporation Delhi. Then it has also been now proposed that it will be divided into in four different municipal corporations. There is one Delhi Development Authority, then the Greater Noida Development Authority, Greater Noida Municipal Corporation. So there are plethora of organizations. I really don't know how this question has arisen.
Another question is, what proactive measures will be taken to control the pollution which will get associated with the development? Pollution, sir. Pollution problem.
Pollution is one of the major problems, be it say air pollution or noise pollution or other kind of industrial pollution. But let me tell you, Indore has always been pioneer. Indore will be pioneer. Indore will be one of those cities which will counter these issues in the right earnest. You may be knowing that Indore City Transport Services Limited is giving very good services and probably the best services in the entire country. We do have some facilities of using CNG buses. We are applying CNG buses on all the routes. We have also started the system of giving our auto rickshaws the CNG facilities. You will be surprised to know that Avantika Gas Limited, which is a joint venture between the Gas Authority of India Limited and then with the one private company. So they are going to supply fuel with this pipeline system. Naturally, we do have the advantage of having Hazira, Vijaypur, Jagdishpur pipeline going by the side of Indore. So believe me that in case of air pollution, we will be one of those cities which will be pioneer in entire country. You cannot name any other city where we are moving in such direction. Though I understand that lots of work has to be done and lots of things has to be carried out. Basically in Pithampur, we do have one system developed by one private company with the support of the government, where there are incinerators and these waste disposal is carried out in greater fashion, bigger fashion. Here in Indore also we do have this solid waste management system. We do have one incinerator which takes care of around 500 metric tons of solid waste each and every day. So it's almost certain that we are going to improve day by day.
There is another question on law and order, please, to how to tackle law and order with the increasing size of the city.
I believe this question has arisen because National Crime Research Bureau has always put Indore on first, second and third position. But believe me, I am born in Uttar Pradesh, brought up in Madhya Pradesh. I have seen several cities. My father has worked in Bihar and Jharkhand. So I don't want to counter-claim those views of NCRB. In case of Madhya Pradesh, what I know that the kind of approach and the kind of accessibility towards the police or to the administrative officer is very high. At no point of time you will see in any other state that police officers are having Jan Sunwai and then they are trying to get complaints, and every complaint here in Madhya Pradesh, by and large, it is registered as an FIR as the system says. So if you want to see other cities and want to feel other cities, I don't want to name other cities, otherwise it will create a kind of, say, heartburns to other cities. But I know that my city at this moment, I can say it with proud, it is one of the best cities vis-a-vis law and order system.
Very good. Thank you. Thank you. Sir, last question. There is a specific question. When the international flights will start from the new airport? International flights.
So I believe it has to be taken in different phase. International flight starting is linked with linked with one or two things. So number one, there are private operators. They will start as and when this demand is risen. But the basic issue is, are we not starting this international flight when our Hajj pilgrims start their journey from Indore airport and they reach to Jeddah, Dubai? So if we are on the anvil of doing all those things, if any international or national carrier decides and say with your support, with IMA's support, as you have invited Mr. Narayan Murthy yesterday, it will happen sooner rather than the later, by the way.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you very much. Once again, I am really thankful to Indore Management Association. You people probably will not be knowing that we have just barged in, rather sneaked in this entire program. But IMA people were kind enough to permit us, to allow us to showcase Indore, to show some of the developments which are being carried out by Indore. Well done, IMA. God bless you. Next year, whenever you give somebody lifetime achievement award, please contact us. And if at least 2 or 3 can be accommodated in one program, so that will be much better. God bless you, IMA. God bless you, Indore. 3 cheers for Indore, please.
Thank you, sir. Thank you very much.